In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for a WeChat account. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is download WeChat app on your device, navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app WeChat and install it. Once completion of installation process, launch it. Now click on the option sign up. You're going to get several options to create your account. You can use Apple ID, Facebook account or the mobile device. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. For this guide, I'm going to use mobile. Now you'll need to fill in these details. Type in your phone number, then select the reason. Next up, type in your phone number, then generate the password for your account. Once you have filled this, check in for the option read and accept the agreement of WeChat, then click on next. Now in the another page, you'll need to complete security verification. Then finally, you'll need to invite another user to scan the QR code via WeChat to help you complete the registration. Once you complete this process, your account will be created. So this way you can easily sign up for a WeChat account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.